Fast machines use that to inject pregnant auxiliary materials into thin pieces. When the NC machine can shorten procurement greatly improve the flavor and yield of products. The NC machine cannot just affect speed, stepping distance, and injection pressure according to process requirements. Then inject pregnant auxiliary materials smoothly and continuously into thin to achieve its results. The machine has precise design, reasonably structured, convenient operation, convenient washing, and touchable transmission. Machine makes it better. With a better machine, you can contact phone or hesitate. 6 1 7 5 0 5 2 3 5 6 1 3. Fast machines use that to inject pregnant auxiliary materials into thin pieces. When the NC machine can shorten procurement greatly improve the flavor and yield of products. The NC machine cannot just affect speed, stepping distance, and injection pressure according to process requirements. Then inject pregnant auxiliary materials smoothly and continuously into thin to achieve its results. The machine has precise design, reasonably structured, convenient operation, convenient washing, and touchable transmission. Machine makes it better. With a better machine, you can contact phone or hesitate. 6 1 7 5 0 5 2 3 5 6 1 3.